In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a real trading account on Exness. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each choice means, and how to save your new account correctly. Make sure you already have your Exness login handy and keep it secure. Don't share it with anyone. First, head to the official Exness website and click Sign In. Always double check you're on the genuine site by looking for the padlock icon in your browser and a correct web address, then bookmark it for next time. Enter your credentials carefully and sign into your personal area or dashboard. If you prefer the mobile app, the layout may look a little different, but the options are essentially the same. Once inside your account area, look for the option to open a new account, then choose the option for a real account. Real accounts use live market conditions and real money, unlike demo accounts that are purely for practice. If you see both real and demo options, make sure you pick real to proceed. This ensures all the settings you configure will apply to an account you can fund and trade with. Next, choose your account type. Exness typically offers types designed for different experience levels and strategies. Standard style accounts are generally beginner-friendly and straightforward, while professional style accounts may offer tighter spreads and sometimes commissions, which can be attractive if you're more active or rely on precision pricing. Think about your trading style, expected trade sizes, and whether you value simpler pricing or tighter spreads. If you're unsure, starting with a standard type account is often a practical choice while you build confidence. Now select your preferred account currency. This is the base currency your balance, profit and loss, deposits, and withdrawals will display in. Choose the currency you use most to minimize conversion fees and keep your accounting simple. It's important to pick carefully because base currency usually can't be changed later. Consider the currency of your funding method and where you're located so your transfers are as smooth and cost-effective as possible. Finally, review your selections and confirm to save the new account. You should see your freshly created account appear in your dashboard with its unique details, such as the account number and trading server. Store these details securely and never share them. If the platform lets you add a label or nickname, that can help you keep multiple accounts organized. That's it. Log in, open a new real account, choose the account type, pick your currency, then confirm and save. Keep your credentials safe, enable extra security features if available, and you're ready to fund and start trading when you're comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.